We're not going to go into the gory details of what a web server is, but it's just simply a computer with special software to deliver your web pages over the web. There's a couple ways you can get access to a web server. One is to maintain your own web server, which we commonly do at the university and many larger businesses do. But you can also use a hosting service. NMSU offers free hosting for students. You can go to web.nmsu.edu to find out more about that. And then there's lots of low-cost hosting services out there that cost about $2 to $5 a month, like iPage, FatCow, GoDaddy, JustHost, Web Hosting Pad, and more. So what to look for in a web hosting company really depends on your needs, but there are some common questions to ask. How much does it cost? If you're going to build Amazon, you need to spend a lot of money. If you're building a small local business, you probably don't need to spend nearly as much. What's their reputation? Do they have good reviews, good customer service? Who's using them? Do they charge extra for a domain? Most companies will give you a free domain when you sign up for hosting. How much disk space and bandwidth do they offer? Many companies are going to unlimited on both of these. And finally, do they have the bells and whistles you need? Coding, databases, multiple domains, subdomains, online stores, blogs, wikis, emails, site building? Each company will tout a slightly different version of extras, and you need to figure out which ones are of interest to you. So you sign up for web hosting. What can you expect? Well, first of all, you choose a company, you sign up for their hosting service, and you buy a domain from them. If you buy a domain from another company, it's going to be more complicated to move that domain to the hosting service, but it is definitely possible. They'll charge your credit card and activate your domain with a placeholder page. Then they'll send you login instructions for the administrative control panel and to FTP into the site. You can use the control panel to manage everything about your web space, including FTP, email, e-commerce, databases, domains, scripting, add-ons, statistics, marketing, and whatever other special features your hosting services provides. So you're going to use the FTP to upload your site to their servers, and then you have a website that's live. For this class, we're going to use a domain that's hosted at iPage called creative-media.us or creative-media.us. Your student sites are actually going to be in a subdirectory called CMT130. So the URL for that will be creative-media.us/CMT130/your-last-name. We'll be taking a closer look at where to put your files in another video. So FTP allows you to transfer files between two computers. Many free FTP programs to choose from. You need to find the one that you like. They all work just about the same. It's also built into your operating system if you're interested. What you're going to need to FTP is the host name, in our case creative-media.us, your username, which is going to be DACC student, and your password, which for security reasons is in Blackboard. So that's it. Your next step is to watch the FTP tutorial for the program you plan to use in this class.